If you need a meal or room, I've got both. If you need a meal or room, I've got both. I only take real coin here. No handouts and no bartering. Bit of advice. Folks here don't care for magic or those that use it. If you're intent on it, check at the college up in Winterhold. Either that or go see the Jarl's court wizard. Rorik's the one you want to talk to for more about that. This here's Rorikstead, after all. No, that's the Jarl in Whiterun. Ever been to Whiterun before? The Jarl's palace is something to see. Dragon Search, they call it. Big old dragon skull hanging on the wall.
My father, Ralki, manages... You look like you've seen your share of adventure. I envy you that. In fact, maybe you can help me with something. I want to be an adventurer like you. My father says I can't. He says he needs me to stay here and work the farm. And even if he did let me be an adventurer, we couldn't afford to buy armor. His name is Mralki, and he's the innkeeper here. I hope you could change his mind. Well, if you change your mind, I'd still like your help.
Need something? It would seem so.
How can I help you?
You sure use a warm bed right about now? Just my luck, stuck in the sticks here.
Hello there.
Hello? Hello?
Hi there.
Did you reconsider? Will you talk to my father?
By the divines, I'm tired. Of course. Let me know if you want anything. Or you can just wait here. See ya. Yes? Where do you want to go? I don't do charity. No gold, no ride. Mm-hmm.
Yes? Do you not know? They are the wielders of the dawn magics, ancient spells that brought the moons back to elsewhere and saved all of Tamriel. Oh no, it was never a matter of when, but always a matter of how. The saviors uncovered the dawn magic, and many of us bore witness to its splendor. Zajira is forever grateful to her golden-skinned friends. Even now, they provide her with the skooma that keeps her close to the moons. Keep an eye out for Talos worshippers.
Come along, no more stops. We need to find our way to Solitude.
Why are we even going to a wedding at this far-flung end of the Empire anyway?
I told you, it's the wedding of Vittoria Vici, an extremely well-connected merchant of the East Empire.
I'm on a pilgrimage to the shrine of Azura, the goddess of twilight, if you'll excuse me.
You speak to a vigilant of Stendar. Cavort with any Daedra, and we will hunt you down. He is the god of mercy, the patron of order and justice for all of Tamriel. We bring his compassion where none can be found, by cleansing all those who would offend his children. Walk always in the light. Stendar be with you. The Vigil will be watching you. The mercy of Stendar does not extend to Daedra worshippers.
Are you bothering me for... And what might you need?
What's your business here? Yes? Nah, I don't think so. Need something? Not my problem. Good morning. Need something? Not my problem. What do you need? No handouts. Now scat. Good morning. What do you need? Need something? Is someone there? What happened?
Smell that fresh air? Truly, this is a good place to play a song. Observing and capturing the epic struggle for Skyrim. When brothers clash with bitter blades, surely there is a song to be found. Good day.
Merble knows many poisons and cures if you need them. We are on the hunt. Meat from fresh kills. The scent of victory is on the wind. Yeah. It will be a good day. I can feel it in my gut. Greetings, brother. You look weary. I have something to help you relax, if you're interested. The finest skooma, the sweetest moon sugar, at a fair price, of course. Each has their own way.
The god Arche was once like us, bound to winding mortality. But he willingly gave up this existence, that we might better understand the vagaries of life and death. It is through the ebb and flow of this cosmic tide that we find renewal, and in the end, peace. May the spirit of Lavinia and all those who have left this world and its suffering know
Sure,
the
Spoons. Handsome man in Falkreath. Aren't you a sight to see? You're going to have the people of Falkreath wrapped around your finger in no time. Oh dear, I'm sorry. Are you here for a funeral? Been lots of mourners in Falkreath lately, on account of this terrible war. Well, welcome to Falkreath. If you need a bed, head over to Dead Man's Drink. Speak to Volga. She'll set you right. Thank you. Here, this is for you. Shriekwind Bastion. A tomb like so many in Skyrim, where the dead have found no peace. They say it's filled with vampires, draugr, and all matter of undead. People want the guards to do something about it, but they're stretched thin as it is with the war, or so they'd have you believe. Just stay away from that cursed place, and the vampires that call it home. Safer for everyone that way. I worry about our hunters. Valder and his men. They're after bear up north, and folks have gone missing the past few weeks. Until next time.
One day rejoin them in eternity.
Let me know if you see anything you like. Well met, and welcome to Falkreath. Don't worry, unlike my brother, I've no dislike of strangers. Met lots of them while I was a Stormcloak. What can I do for you, stranger? Trinkets, odds and ends, that sort of thing. Steal anything from my shop and you'll regret it.
It's good to see you again.
Good to see you.
Welcome. Let me know if you want anything. I think I got a clean mug around here somewhere.
Oh,
welcome to Dead Man's Drink.
Named Ragnar the Red, who came riding to Whiterun from old Rorikstead. And the
Oh? Have you heard something?
As he told of bold battles and gold he had made.
And Falkreath, if I don't know it, it's not worth knowing.
When he met the shield maiden Matilda, who said,
You hear anything else? Be sure to share it with me. Oh, I guess I should be getting back to work. It was more fun talking, though. Here you go. Something to drink. On the house.
Clashing and slashing of steel as the brave lass Matilda charged in full of zeal. And the braggart named Ragnar was boastful no more when his ugly red head rolled around on the floor.
Excuse me, sir. I don't normally do this, but, have you got a moment to talk? Marvelous. My name is Lucian Flavius. I'm a scientist, philosopher, amateur wizard, and something of a musician, though I suppose that's more of a hobby. I couldn't help noticing that you seem... how can I put this? Well acquainted with the less savory side of Skyrim? As a matter of fact, I do. I'm here in Skyrim on an expedition, academic mainly. I find the province simply fascinating. The flora, the fauna, the ruins, both Dwemer and Nordic, the architecture, the politics.
Was a hero named Ragnar.
Trouble is, I'm really not much of a fighter. I know a few spells and can just about swing a sword, but beyond that, I'm pretty useless in combat. Skyrim's no place for a milk drinker like me. Not on my own, anyway. So, I'm looking for someone to travel with.
Matilda, who said, Oh, you talk and you lie and you drink all our mead.
Oh, certainly not. All I'm asking is for you to let me tag along. I'm of course willing to compensate you most handsomely for putting up with me. You're certain? Well, I suppose that's fair enough. I'll see who else comes along.
in. Just stoke the fire. Take a seat and get the cold out. Look alive, will ya?
Yes, Mom.
This is a local favorite and one of the first
You want a
songs
drink?
I ever learned. Ragnar the Red. Oh, there once was a hero named Ragnar the Red.
Depends.
riding to
Are you
Whiterun
thirsty?
from
Hungry? Both?
Rorikstead. And the braggart did swagger and brandish his blade as he told of bold battles and gold he had made. But then he went quiet, did Ragnar the Red, when he met the shield maiden Matilda, who said,
Aye.
Oh, you talk and you lie and you drink all our mead. Now I think it's high time that you lie down and bleed. And so then came clashing and slashing of steel as the brave lass Matilda charged in full of zeal. And the braggart King Ragnar was boastful no more when his ugly red head rolled around on the floor.
Oh, it's you again. I don't suppose you've changed your mind.
What do you want? Be quick about it. There's nothing to tell. They act brave and fight poorly. The last one who challenged me was too busy rattling off the names of the relatives I had supposedly extinguished to even bother raising his shield. I think he was fumbling through what must have been a small army of second cousins when I set his weapon on fire. Yes, and this is after I told him I was no longer a justiciar. But he was a rather stubborn Nord. All right, then.
Welcome to Dead Man's Drink. I escaped fighting in Cyrodiil, only to have it track me down again in Skyrim. Sure thing. It's yours for a day.
We drink to our youth.
I'll show you to your room. Right this way.
For the age of aggression is just about done. We'll drive out the storm cloaks and restore what we own. With our blood and our steel, we will take back our home.
You see those warriors from Hammerfell? They've got curved swords.
Let me know if there's anything else you need.
We'll drink and we'll sing. We're the children of Skyrim and we fight all our lives. And when Sovngarde beckons, every one of us dies. But this land is ours, and we'll see it wiped clean of the scourge that has sullied our hopes and our dreams.